All right, we're gonna start it now, okay? Destiny, are you there already? You will talk out loud?
Yeah, I'm already there.
All right. Did you join the game already?
Yeah, I joined the game.
All right. Let's get started. All right. So the answer is correlation. Okay. Good. C. Right. Angela, Juan, Alone's. What is that? Uriel, sorry. Evelyn. Move on to number 2. You just learned about this, right? So all of you should get this one right. All right, so it should be positive relationship, right? If both variables increase at the same time, then it should be the positive relationship, okay? All right, Angela, Uriel, Evelyn, Juan, Alone's. Let's move on to number 3. All right, so it should be positive as well, right? Yeah, so if both variables decrease or increase at the same time, then it should be positive, okay? All right, let's move on to the next one. All right, Uriel is leading now. Angela, Evelyn, Juan, Alone's. Number 4. All right, so it should be negative, right? It's a negative relationship. If one variable increases and the other one decreases, then it should be negative, okay? And that means that the line or the graph, the line is going down, right? All right, let's see the results. Right, we still have the same people, and now we have Zahid and Vanessa, Evelyn, Angela, Uriel. Let's move on to number 5. right? The answer is false, right? Yeah, so a correlation doesn't mean a cause and effect relationship, okay? Like height and self-esteem, right? There is a correlation between them. Both of them might be increasing at the same time or decreasing at the same time, but one might not cause other. Yeah, one might not be affected by the other, okay? All right, let's move on to the results. Angela is leading. Uriel, Jennifer, Evelyn, Zahid. Let's move on to number 6. All right, so it's a Pearson correlation coefficient. It's just the notation. Yeah. All right, let's move on to the results. Okay, Uriel is leading. Angela, Jennifer, Evelyn, Brittany. Number 7. All right, so it looks like a tie, right? Half of you chose true and half of you chose false. So the answer is false because a Pearson R, the coefficient, ranges from -1 to 1. Remember, if the graph goes down, if the correlation is negative, then you should use the negative number for it, right? So the R should be from -1 to +1, everyone. And it cannot be less than -1 and it cannot be greater than 1. Okay, so it has to be between -1 and 1. All right, so let's move on to the next one. All right, still the same people, right? Uriel, Angela, Jennifer, Evelyn. And now we have those. Number 8. Right, so which should be the scattergram, right? And you will see those graphs later. Or you did a Jamboard activity, right? So we use the scatter plot or scattergram for the correlation between the two variables. And you did the second activity. So those are the scattergram, everyone. Yes, Alones, you have a question? Go ahead and talk out loud. Is that right? Did Alones have a question?
No, that was an accident.
Okay, that's fine. All right. So let's see the results. Right, still exactly the same people. Let's move on to number 9. All right, so it's the coefficient of determination, okay? And I'm sure that later we will talk more about this and you will understand it better. All right, let's see the results. Right, still the same people, exactly. And Uriel is still leading. The last question. All right, so the answer is coefficient of determination is R squared, okay? And yeah, so for now, you may not understand it yet, but we're gonna talk about it later. Or did you see it in the video, in the lecture video that Dr. O talked about? Did she talk about it? I don't remember. All right, so let's see the final results. Let's see who are the winners. Jennifer, the third place. Angela, the second place. And I guess Uriel, huh? Is that right? All right, Uriel, congratulations. All right, see.